my tractor back from John Deere, getting some fertilizer, some 1919 to put down. Greg's putting lime down right now in the bad fields. Alright, so their PTO shaft sucks. It's all froze up, needs some WD-40. I can't move it, but kind of crappy. But he's putting lime down. You can see it on the ground here. I'm putting fertilizer 1919 down, 200 pounds the acre. He's spreading lime. Finally getting it done. Eating dust again. Good old days. Throwing some 1919. This field I dissed. Hopefully there's a couple rough spots. It could get dissed again, but probably not going to. Greg's putting lime down ahead of me. £200 to the acre, 1919. Need to get some corn in the ground.